Hello everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about simple interest. So to calculate simple interest we need this formula SI is equal to PTR divided by 100. So in real life, so what is P means? It is the principal amount borrowed from the bank, that is the loan borrowed from the bank, initial amount. Okay, so for the time period T, it may be 2 years, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, like that. So rate of interest is at what rate of interest? Let us say currently in India it is 7 percentage, 8 percentage, 9 percentage, something like that. Okay, so simple interest is the extra amount that we have to calculate using the above formula. This is the extra amount on the principal we have to give it to bank while paying the principal amount. So to calculate the total amount we need the another formula, that is amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Principal is the initial loan amount borrowed from the bank and S is the simple interest that we calculated using first formula, right? So here amount is equal, amount means it is the simple interest plus principal and P is the principal again, and here S is the simple interest. Okay, so we will discuss couple of problems on simple interest. Okay, so let us move on to the next section. Everyone, in this question here, what sum means it is the principal value we have to find out, and amount 2 means it is the amount given 6,600 rupees. Okay, so again here 4 years means it is the time period, that is 4 years, and 8 percentage means it is the interest rate R is equal to 8. Okay, so as you know the relation between principal and amount, that is amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. All right, so here amount is given 6,600. Okay, principal is unknown. Here simple interest is not given, but you know the formula, simple interest is equal to P into T into R by 100. All right, so here 6,600 is equal to P is unknown, keep as it is here also, and T is 4, R is 8 divided by 100. All right, so here only P is unknown, so we can find out the P value, right? So let us simplify further. So take P outside, and here in bracket 1 plus 4 into 8 divided by 100. All right, so here let us simplify further, and here this will be P into bracket 8 4 just 32 divided by 100. Okay, let us simplify bracket term once again. Okay, so here bracket it will be 132 divided by 100, right? So here P is the value we have to find out, so keep P one side and transfer all term on other side. So here if we transfer 132 divided by 100 on other side, it will become 100 divided by 132, right? So here 62 2 ja and 2 5 ja. All right, so here 2 0 left, and here other side it is 5 0, 5 and 0. Okay, right? So here 5 and 0 and 2 0 in first term, so it is 5,000. All right, so B is the right answer. Hello everyone, in this question as you can see, in what time, that means we have to find out T value. All right, so 3,500 will become 4,130, means initial value, that is the principal 3,500 rupees, and this 4,130 is the amount, that is 4130. Okay, so when annual rate of interest is 6 percentage, that is rate of interest 6. All right, so here as you know the relation between amount and principal is amount is equal to principal plus simple interest, right? So here simple interest is equal to amount minus principal, right? So here again amount is given 4130 and principal is given 3500. Okay, if we subtract here 30, and here 11 minus 5 is 6. All right, so 630 rupees is the interest. So as you know simple interest is equal to PTR by 100, right? So substitute all the values here. Simple interest is 630, so P is the principal, that is 3,500, and time we have to find out. R is the rate of interest 6, and here 100, so 100 20 gone, here 20 gone, and keep T as as it is in one side and it transfer 35 and 6 on other side. Okay, so here as you can see, t is equal to 630 divided by 35 into 6, right? So as I am transferring from right hand side to left hand side, so here it is multiple and other side it will go to divide. Okay, so here again, here 630 divided by, if we multiply denominator, it will be 210. So 0 gone and 21 3s are, right? So therefore t is equal to 3 years. Alright, so t is equal to 3 years is the answer. B is the right option. Hello everyone, in this question as you can see, a person borrowed a sum of 20,000 rupees. That means a person borrowed a loan of 20,000 from the bank. Okay, so for 2 years means it is t is equal to 2 years. Okay, so he had to repay 24,800 including interest after 2 years. So a person had to repay the amount to the bank again, right? So after 2 years when he has to repay, the amount is equal to 24,800 including interest. Okay, so here as you know, rate of interest is the one we have been asked. Okay, so you know the relation between a principal and amount, right? So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. All right, so again here simple interest is equal to amount minus p, right? So simple interest is equal to amount is 24,800 minus principal is 20,000. All right, so after subtraction it will be 4,800. So simple interest is 4,800. We know the formula of simple interest, that is simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. So here simple interest is 4,800. So P is the principal, that is 20,000 rupees, and time is 2 years, and R is the value we have to find out. Keep as it is and divided by 100. So 100 here, 20 gone, and keep R one side and transfer other value on other side. So R is equal to 4,800 divided by, on this side 200 left here and here 2 left here. So here 20 gone, so 48 divided by 4. So 12 4s are 48, right? So 12% is the rate of interest. Everyone, in this question we have been asked to find out the rate of simple interest, that is R. Okay, so at which the amount 17,500, that is the initial amount, principal P is equal to 17,500. Okay, that will become 19,250. Okay, that is the final amount, that is amount is equal to 19,250. all right, in 2 years, that is the time period t is equal to 2 years. Okay, so you know the relation between principal and amount, right? So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Therefore simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 19,250 is given, minus principal is 17,500 is given. Okay, so if we subtract, it will be 1,750 simple interest. Okay, so as we know simple interest and time period and principal amount, so we can find out the R value. So as you know the formula, simple interest is equal to P into T into R divided by 100. Okay, so substitute all the values. Simple interest is 1,750, principal amount is 17,500, time period T is equal to 2, and R value we have to find out, keep as it is. So divided by 100. So 20 gone, here 20 gone, and rearrange. Let us say here R is equal to 1750 divided by 175 here, and this 2. Okay, so here it is 10 ja, all right, and 2 5 ja. So rate of interest is equal to 5%, right? All right, so the option here, fourth option is the right one. Hello everyone, in this question it is given at 25% per annum interest. That means R value is given 25%. Okay, so in how many years the simple interest, in how many years means it is the time period we have been asked to find out. Okay, is the simple interest on the sum of money triple itself. So that means the principal on final stage it will be triple itself. That means the amount is equal to 3 times of principal at the end. So let us say principal is equal to P and amount is equal to 3 times of P. So therefore you know that the relation between the amount and principal is amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Alright. So amount is 3 times of P and principal is P plus simple interest. Therefore simple interest is equal to 3P minus P. That is simple interest is equal to 2 times of P. Alright. So we know that simple interest formula is P into T into R divided by 100. Alright. So now substitute all the values. Let us say simple interest is equal to 2P and P keep as it is, and time period T we have to find out, keep as it is, and rate of interest 25% is given already and divided by 100. So 25 4 is 100, right? So here let us cut P and P both right and left side. Alright. So keep T one side and other value on other side. So here T is equal to 2, here 4 left, right? So if it goes to other side, then it will be multiplication. So 2 into 4, that is 8. So T is equal to 8. 8 years is the answer. That is the third option. Here in this question, in what time means we have been asked to find out the time period. Okay, so the initial amount 4250, that is principal amount 4250. Amount 2 5610 means that is the total amount. Okay, 5610. Okay, at the rate of interest 8%, that is R is equal to 8%. Okay, you know the relation between the principal and amount, right? So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So therefore simple interest is equal to amount minus principal, that is amount is 5610 and minus 4250. Okay, so here it is 1360 is the simple interest. So we know that simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Alright, so substitute all the value. Let us say 1360 is equal to principal amount is 4250 and time we have been asked to find out, keep as it is, and R is the interest rate, that is 8. Okay, so divided by 100. So let us rearrange this. Keep T as it is in one side, 1360 here into 100 divided by 4250 into 8. Alright, so here this 100 goes to this side and multiplied, and remaining this side things are divided by side. Okay, so here this 0 gone and this 0 gone, and let us multiply above terms. Numerator terms will become 13600 and denominator terms will become 8 5 is 40, 8 2 is 16 plus 4 20, and 8 4 is 32 plus 2 is 34. Alright, so these two gone and these two gone, and as you know 136 divided by 34, it is 4 4 is 16 and 4 3 is 12 plus 1 is 13, right? So it is 4 is here. So T is equal to 4 years. Alright, so here the option 4 is the right option. Okay. Hello everyone, in this question we have been asked to find out the rate of interest, that is R value. Okay, so for the amount 2500, that is the initial amount, it is called principal amount 2500, at the simple interest to become 3300. Okay, so the final amount is 3300, that is amount is equal to 3300 and in 4 years, that is T is equal to 4 years. You know the relation between principal and amount, that is amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Alright, so therefore simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount is 3300 minus principal is 2500. Alright, so here this will be 800. Okay, simple interest is equal to 800. We know the formula, simple interest is equal to P into T into R divided by 100. Alright, so here substitute all the values. Simple interest is equal to 800, right? So principal is 2500 and time period T is 4 years and R we have been asked to find out. Okay, so divided by 100. So here this two gone, and keep r at one side and transfer other things on other sides. So 800 divided by remaining is 25 and 4. Okay, so if we transfer on other side, it will become division. So here 800 divided by 24 into 25 into 4 is 100. All right, so 100 8 ja 800. So r is equal to 8%. All right, so option 3 is the right answer. Everyone, in this question we have been asked to find out the simple interest, that is SI. All right, on amount 500, that is principal is equal to 500 rupees. All right, so here at the rate of interest 2% per annum, that is r is equal to 2%, and for 4 years. Okay, time period is 4 years. So you know the formula, simple interest is equal to PTR divided by 100. All right, let us substitute all the values. P is 500 and T is 4 and R is 2. All right, so here divided by 100, and this to gone, and 4 to the 8, 8 5 is 40. All right, so simple interest is 40 rupees. So option 2 is the right answer. Hello everyone, in this question we have been asked to find out simple interest. Okay, SI on 1800 amount, that is the principal amount 1800, and for 10 years, that is time period is equal to 10, and here rate of interest is r is equal to 10%. All right, so as you know, the simple interest is equal to PTR divided by 100. So principal amount is 1800 and time period T is 10 and R is also 10. All right, so divided by 100. So these two gone, this one gone, this one gone. So what is left? That is 1800. So 1800 is the answer, that is option 4. Hello everyone, in this question a man borrows 20,000 rupees. All right, so that is the principal. All right, so here for the house maintenance, which is given by him in 2 years, that is time period 2 years. All right, so at the rate of interest r is equal to 10%. All right, so per annum, what is the total amount paid by him? That means it is the amount is simple interest plus principal. So we have to calculate the simple interest. We know the principal, we have to calculate the simple interest. So simple interest is equal to PTR divided by 100. All right, so here P is the 20,000. All right, 20,000, T is the 2 and R is 10, so divided by 100. So these two gone, here 2 to the 4, and how many zeros left? 3 zeros left. Okay, so 4,000. So simple interest is equal to 4,000. So as you know, amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. All right, so principal is 20,000, right, plus simple interest is 4,000. So here add 4,000, so it will be 24,000 rupees. All right, so amount is 24,000 rupees, that is option 3 is the right answer.